Welcome to our channel LetMeExcel. Today we are going to share some of the very important, very useful Windows tips and tricks. So let us start. The first one is opening applications or programs through run command. Run command can be invoked pressing your window key and R key together. Once you get this dialog box here, you can drag it anywhere and you can type the program name and enter, or click on OK and that program opens up. So let us see in action. I'll try to open Notepad. I type Notepad and pressed enter. New Notepad opened. Likewise, I can open Wordpad also. See, Wordpad also opened up here. If you want to open calculator, all you have to type is CALC in run command and press enter, and calculator opens up. All right. The next one is, suppose if you want to open MS Word, you have to type WinWord, 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 and enter. MS Word opens up. If you want to open PowerPoint, how you can do? It should be Power PNT, PowerPoint opens up. Okay, let me minimize this. Let me minimize this as well. If I don't want to minimize one by one, press Window plus D. Everything gets minimized. So Window plus D is a shortcut to show desktop. And if I press one more time, everything comes up. Window key plus D. Alright, the next one is how to open control panel. Go to run, type control, 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 and enter. Your control panel opens up. The next one is, while you are in control panel, so let me show you how can you come to this place without coming to control panel. What is the shortcut to go to add or remove programs? From control panel, I clicked on programs and features and I reached here. So if I want to come to this page directly from run command, let me close this. Go to run, type appwiz.cpl. Appwiz.cpl is shortcut to open, add or remove programs. Let me click OK or press enter. See, isn't it amazing? Okay, the next one is remote desktop connection, RDC. So in order to open RDC, all you have to do is type MSTSC. MSTSC is remote desktop protocol. Now you can type computer name or IP, then you can connect to your remote desktop. Since I said IP, let me show you a quick way to get your IP address, Internet Protocol address. Again, go to run, type CMD for opening command, and all I have to do is now type ipconfig, IPCONFIG, and enter. You will get your IP address, your default gateway, subnet mask, everything comes up here. And if you want to close this, either you can close with the help of mouse or you can type simply EXIT, exit. Amazing, right? The next one is how to open Internet Explorer with the help of run command. Go to run, type iExplore. Your Internet Explorer opens up. All right. So if I want to open some link in some browser, not default browser, whenever you go to run and type any link in run and press enter, it opens in default browser. But if I want to force computer to open that link in different browser, then I have to type browser name first. Say for example, Firefox and www.google.com. So now google.com will be opened in Firefox. Otherwise it opens in Chrome because Chrome is my default browser. Google opened in Firefox. So if I want it to be opened in Internet Explorer, all I have to do is type IEXPLORE, then link name. Now it is opening in Internet Explorer. There are many commands, run commands, so I'll discuss them in coming videos, but for now this much only. Let us get into next tip. The next tip is how to get your computer name easily. So for that, let me use my on-screen keyboard because I don't have a particular button in my keyboard. So in order to get the computer name, press window key and pause button. So if I press window key and pause button, I get the computer name and other details. So the one which you get from control panel, all control panel items and system, it opens up single pressing of button, that is window key and pause button. You will get this page, and from there you get your computer name. All right, let me close this. Let me close this also. Okay, the next tip is, if I want to open any file without getting in there, how can you do that? Say for example, I want to open this book, Meditation and its Methods, while I am in somewhere else, like I may be doing some other work, I may be in some other folder. Usually I have to come to this path and double click this file and open. But if I don't want to do that, I have a shortcut which I can use. The one is copy this one, copy and paste as shortcut. You can paste anywhere, paste shortcut, and right click, go to properties, and you can assign any shortcut keys here. Under shortcut keys, as of now it is none is there. Since it is meditation, let me type M. So Control and Alt is added automatically. Let me apply. OK. Now I'll go to the desktop. Okay. Now I'll press Control Alt M. See, this file opened up. Isn't it amazing? Did you know this trick? Please comment and let us know. Okay. So the next tip is to get the list of fonts. So whatever fonts you have installed in your system, if you want to get in there, again you have to go to Run and type fonts, F-O-N-T-S. As soon as you enter, you will get the complete list of fonts which are installed in your system. See, I have 203 items. That means 203 fonts are installed in my system. Okay, let me close this. Next is Task Manager. Whenever you are not able to close any application, that time Task Manager comes very handy. To open Task Manager, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape. Your Task Manager opens up. Let me close this. Okay, the next tip is creating folder easily. Usually for creating folder, you right click and go to new and you create folder, right? This is the normal method, but shorter method, that is pressing Ctrl, Shift and N. Isn't it easy? Okay, then let me share you the final tip of the day. That is, see, I have lots of files here. What if I want to get the list of all these files or the folders? So there is a very simple way, very easy way to get this one. First, you need to copy the entire path from here. You can do so by clicking here or pressing Alt D, or clicking here or pressing Alt D. Then copy with the help of Ctrl and C and go to any of the browser, either Firefox or Chrome, and go and paste it in address bar and enter. It lists out everything. See, it is listed. Now I can copy, Ctrl C, and go to Notepad and paste it, and if I need it in Excel, I can go to Excel. Okay, so I didn't tell you how to open Excel, right? Through run command, you can open by typing Excel, E-X-C-E-L. All I have to do is now paste it, and if I am interested only in the file names, I can remove these columns and I can remove this path also. Now I am left with only the file names. And if you want to get rid of this file colon, you can simply press Ctrl plus H and file colon replace all. I see that there is a blank line, blank row in between. So let me remove this. Select. I'm pressing Alt D and S to go to sort, and my data has header. Okay, and it is sorted. Now I got the complete list with extension. Although I said it is a last tip, but I want to show you one more. I want to leave this to you. Like what happens, just see. Copy any file and go to Run, window R, and paste. What happens? It copies the entire path and the file name along with extension. See, wherever I copied this file, how I am feeling, and this is an MP4 file. Alright, so how many of these tips were known to you? Please comment and let us know. If you want to receive this kind of tips and tricks regularly, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today's video was a bit different from regular ones because most of the time we share Excel and Google spreadsheet content, but today for a change we thought of sharing Windows tips and tricks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to share with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Love you all.